also tracks the gap size, and it's feeding real-time data to the robot to basically guide and modify the path of the robot as it goes. It's configurable up to, we have 20 built-in seams to configure. When you choose your seam, that might be a butt seam or a fillet or a lap seam, you give it you tell the sensor the geometry of that seam, and then you also establish the limits of what you're willing to accept, right? Okay. So, and then when it goes outside of those limits, it basically does a lost seam, and then your robot will react. One of the benefits, especially in the cobot land that we found, is it actually reduces robot programming, right? So effectively, you'll see the robot come to a fixed point, yep, and that's the only point you need to program.
Right.
You'll put another point out here in random space, but once the robot finds the beginning of the seam, yeah, it's going to guide the robot along that seam no matter what direction it needs to go.
Yeah.
Right?
You essentially just need like a start and a stop point.